We're out again, guys, and another great morning. Calm as out here. Really hoping we can get a nice catch. Let's see how we go. Look how calm it is. It's absolutely beautiful. Bites. Early nibbles on dawn. Found the baits, I've smelt them. Which one's going to get a fish first? I think we're onto something here. Yes, we are. Oh, he pulled me into reef. Oh, still on. That was first drop. Right on dawn. What have we got here? Yep. Pinky, baby. Baby. Beautiful. I think he's a little too small for us. Look how gorgeous he is. Absolute belter. See if we can get him off right here. Yes, we can. That is a beautiful one. Let's see if the big boys are around, eh? There you go. I felt like that wrapping of the bait was a success because we ended up getting a hookup from it without being cleaned out. This is send number 2. On that lovable zing. I'd love to get one. Very calm out there. No real seaweed problems. I mean, there is a bit of weed out there, but big deal. And it's just so relaxing. And if you end up getting a monster hit, big zing on the reel, mate. Catching beautiful fresh food. Family loves a good feed. Then you've got some fitness exercise, fresh air, grounding, you name it, mate. Absolute favourite time of day. You wish you could stay the whole time. Seaweed fish. We're playing hard to get this morning. Well, we're not skunked, we've got a squire. Might have been a 35 for 40. We're chasing the 70 pluses. We've got something on here. Yeah, let's go. This feels a bit bigger. Oh, did he get off? Is he on still? Did he just spit the hooks? I think he's still on. Is he? Oh, he might have spat the hooks. No way. Oh, that's definitely going to be our spot tomorrow then. Big boy beat us on drop 3. We had him on. Mustn't have been hooked properly. They self-hook, mate. So there's nothing I did wrong. I'm not gonna overthink that one. That's for sure. Ah, we got the tiniest little whiting. Are you good enough to be bait? I'm gonna let you go, champion. Well, we're back on dawn again. Got pulled off yesterday. Will we have better luck today, mate? This is supposed to be the crackerjack. There she goes, stripe 1. We're right on dawn. Water's got a different feel to it today. Definitely a bit more of a weedy feel about it. Different breeze. Still relatively calm out there though, so. Oh, we might have something on now. Just the first fish of the day. Yes it is. Is it a blow dog? No, it's a little brim, eh? Little silver, no, yellowfin brim. Now that to me means the conditions are definitely changing towards the summer species. We didn't get many of these in winter. No, it's a feeling than when a bunch of seagulls steal all your bloody bait. Send number 2. Wind is awesome. Absolutely perfect morning. Thanks for tuning in. Big hook up yesterday. Spat the hook. But then, now's the time. Go, buddy. Oh. Yes, we're onto something here. Oh, come on, don't come off this time. Whoa, he's a mover and a shaker. Let's go, baby. What have we got here, guys? Come on. Oh, you still on? Yes, you are. Tighten the drag slightly. Oh, we got some big bites then. Could this be a size fish? I feel like it is. He's really pulling us. Let's hope not into some reef. Oh, come on, let's land him. Had no luck yesterday, but we got onto one maybe slightly smaller. This feels bigger. And we got some head shakes. It doesn't feel like a stingray. Could this be our first pinky of the summer? All off land. Great to get a decent sized hookup. Oh, he might have pulled us into reef. Oh, I think we got him out. Might have hit another snag. Oh. Don't break off. Bit of a stalemate right now. Feel like we're getting some line back. The few snags out there. Gonna try and lift over. What have we got? Bit like a pinky early. Is it a ray? No. Oh, it's a pinky. It's a decent sized pinky. Just gotta swim him in. Yes! Woo! Woo! Yes, you're a beauty. Beautiful fish. First pinky of the summer. Don't forget to hit the sub and likes and comment in the game if you like. Any questions or ways you think we can do things better, let us know. I just love coming out here and catching great fish. You little ripper. The old Shimano Aqua Tip does it again. What an awesome morning. There's sunrise. See you next time, guys. We've got a great summer ahead. Thanks for everyone for tuning in. Chucks us a comment, hits the sub button. Can't thank you enough. We love doing this. See you soon.